Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to do a top-down analysis video on the natural gas. Although I do not trade natural gas, but we have recently closure of the monthly candle on the natural gas, so I thought let's just to have a review on the natural gas and try to see where the price is heading in the coming months. So now let's see. As you can see on the monthly time frame, the price is pretty much bullish and we are printing bullish candles back to back. So we are pretty much bullish on the monthly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, as we can see, the price closed bearish. The last weekly candle closed bearish and we made some kind of resistance. And if we talk about the support, we have another support right here, and then there is another support right here. So what are we expecting right now? As you can see, we have already closed bearish and made resistance, so we are expecting the next weekly candle to make some kind of top wick, retest this area and continue moving down and fill this whole range. And if we get another closure below this support, then that will be the price breaking into this new range, and then again we are expecting the price to make a top wick and move to the next support, which is right here. That depends. If we get another closure like this below this support, then we will move further down to the next support, but that totally depends. We know that on the monthly time frame we are pretty much bullish, so now on the weekly it will be some kind of retracement, but we don't know like to which price the retracement is going to continue, right? So we are a little bit bearish on the weekly. Now let's see what's happening on the daily. On the daily we have a resistance right here. There is another resistance right here, or let's remove this resistance. Let's consider that the final resistance, right? And in terms of the support, we have there is one support right here. There is one support right here, and then there is another support right here. So same for this one as well. Let's try to remove this support and consider only one support. So what we do now, what we have now, this is the resistance and this is the support. So this is the resistance, this is the support of this range. Now we know that the last daily candle closed bullish right now. So as we have the last daily candle closed bullish, so we are looking for long trades on the intraday basis. So we are expecting the price to make some kind of bottom wick and move to the next resistance. This one is going to be the first resistance, right? And that will be the top of the range. And if we get another closure, daily closure above the range, we are expecting the price next daily candle to make a bottom wick and continue higher to the next resistance, which is these rejections area, this wicks area, as you can see. So that is something we are expecting if the price continue higher. And the second possibility is if we have some kind of bearish price action, right? The price can go either way, so we have to be ready for both the directions. So in that situation, if the price keep on moving to the downside, then we are looking for the price to give us a break and close below this support area. And if that happens, in that situation, price is breaking into a new range. This is going to be the break of the support, and then we are expecting the price to move to the next support, which is right here. So in that situation, we are expecting the price to make a top wick maybe into this area and then continue to the next support. And that will be also the alignment with the weekly time frame. Now as we can see that as I mentioned, the weekly is bearish, so the price might continue lower. So if the price on the daily moves lower, that will be the proper alignment with the weekly time frame as well. Now let's see what's happening on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, guys, we have a resistance right here. There is another resistance right here. If we talk in terms of the support, we have the support right here. There is another support right here. So from the daily, we know that okay, we are bullish and we are looking for the long trade. So in that terms, if we other than these, we can also consider this one as a resistance for the price. Now as you can already see that price already made some kind of resistance on the 4-hour. So this is the resistance on the 4-hour as well, right? So if we get some kind of bullish closure above this resistance, if we get some kind of closure above this resistance, then the price is breaking into this new range, and then we are expecting the price to retest the recent broken zone and continue moving higher. And if we get another closure above this range, we are expecting the price to move to the next range as well. So that is something we are expecting, and if the price do like this, that will be the proper alignment with the daily time frame, because the daily time frame is bullish. Now let's see what's happening on the 30-minute and 1 hour time frame. On the 30-minute and the 1 hour time frame, now on the 30-minute and 1 hour time frame, as we know that we have a resistance right here, and there is a support right here, there is a support right here, and there is a resistance right here. So what are we expecting? We know that from the daily the price is pretty much bullish. So if we get bullish closure about this resistance, then in that situation we are expecting the price to make a bottom. We can move to the next resistance like this, and if we get further closure about that resistance, we are expecting the price to make a bottom. We can move to the next resistance like this. So this is something we are expecting on the 30-minute and 1 hour time frames to happen. If that doesn't happen, and we have to look for the shorting opportunity. So in that situation, we know that the daily time frame is bullish, so we will wait for the price to break some structures on the lower time frames, 30-minute and 1 hour time frame. So we will not look for shorting opportunity after break of this structure. We will wait for the price to break below this support, and once that happens on the 30-minute and 1 hour time frames, we will wait for the price to make a top break and move to the next support like this. This is something we are going to expect to happen on the lower time frame. So that's it, guys. This was the analysis on the natural gas from the monthly to the 30-minute time frame. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you really did like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel in order to support the channel and YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. See you in another video.